So anyway, we're into 28 inches on our spine tester. We got a 1.94 pound weight. Like I say, I'm on short supply of raw shafts, so but I do have 6 Element Storm 300s here, so we're going to put those on the spine tester and see where they're at. And yes, I'm aware that the 300 spine, the stiffer or less flex you have, like the 300 spine to 5200, are going to be tighter tolerances. Normally, or generally speaking, the tolerances get a little wider as you get weaker or more flex, so you get into the 400s, 500s. So, but for today, what I got is 300 spines. So I'm going to do, I got 6 of them here. We're going to put them on the Ram spine tester and see where they all come out. So, okay. Oh, got 6 Element Storms. They're all 300 spine right here. 1.94 pound weight. And we've got our Ram tester here that is set 28 inches. So I'm going to zoom in on the dial so you can see this. This is going to have to bear with me here. This is not the easiest thing in the world to do when we're talking this close. All right. Element Storm 300. So we're going to put it on. Maybe I can get it down just a little bit. There we go. Okay. All right. So we're going to set it on the tester here. We got that set. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this dial to 0. Okay. And what we're going to look is to see how close each one of these arrows, see the difference between 1 through 6. So, all right, first arrow right here. Okay. I'm going to put the weight on. Okay. All right, so we've got our Storm on. You see it's 300. Dial is set 0. Got the weight. And we're going to set the weight on. 1, 2, and it's going to settle in there at about 298. So, all right. So now, I get the next one. Next arrow, we're going to take this one off. Set it to the side. I'm going to lay it right. Oh, I was going to lay it right there, but never mind. It went in the floor. So, all right. Set it 0. You can also do this. You can put your first one on and then set the dial to 0. And then put your weights on, and if they're all close to the 0, that's usually, as long as they're generally the spine you're looking for, you're fine. So, all right, arrow number 2. It reads 295, so it's a 295. Not quite 300. So, first one was 298. Second one's 295. So we're going to get a third Storm 300. Let me get it on here. Set the dial. Make sure it's 0. 1, 2, 3. That one is 290. We'll call it 290 for the sake of argument. 298. So 298, a 295, and a 298 out of the first 3. Arrow number 4. One, 2, 3 times around. I'll call that one too about 299. 299, yeah. So 298, 295, 298, 299. The next one. 2. Wow, 300. How about that? That 300 spine arrow that checks 300 spine. It's not too bad, right? All right. And we got number 6. See, it's a 300 spine. And on we go. 296. I'll call it 6. 296. So 298, 296, 295, 298s, and a 300. So we've got a total spread there of 5. So not too bad. All right, there you have it. Element Storm 300 spine. As soon as I can get some 400s and 350s, I'll check those too. So, but there you are. There's the tolerances. In my opinion, those are good. I don't have a problem with any of those, and you're not going to have any issues with those. A lot of times, when you're talking spine, you'll get 6 arrows, and you'll shoot, and 5 of them will hit dead center of the target, and you'll have one that shoots to the left or the right. If everything's tuned on your bow and your nocks are good, your fletchings are good, your inserts are square, your field pointer, your broadhead square, and everything's lined up the way it's supposed to be. Probably what's wrong is one of the spine on the arrow is not what it should be. It's more variance, and that's what causes that one flyer that'll go out there. So the guys that build arrows a lot, looking for perfection, they'll just weed that one out. So, but these arrow companies are making hundreds and probably millions, hundreds of thousands of millions of arrows a year. It's going to happen. So what do you do with it? Well, if you want to shoot bullseyes every time, you take that arrow and get rid of it. Get you another one. I mean, there's really no no other way around it. So, but if you want to look for perfection, take your dozen, get you a spine tester, run the spines, check the spines, spine index your arrows. You want to shoot bullseyes, shoot bullseyes. So, but if you're going to shoot white-tailed deer at 20 yards, you're probably not ever even going to notice. So, anyway, a little bit about spine. Thanks for watching.